Hello YouTubers, welcome back to another video. GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair here. 2012 Nissan Sentra 2.0 automatic front wheel drive. We are going to replace the lower control arm. The bushings are no good, the front and the rear, and this control arm comes with the ball joint. So I'm going to be replacing the whole thing. It's very easy and straightforward. The only thing you have to focus here is removing the sway bar link connector, because as you might see here, the sway bar is actually on the way, so it's very difficult to install a socket or a wrench. So we're going to remove the sway bar, okay, and replace it, because actually right here the boot, it is no good, it's damaged, broken. So I want to replace that too. Okay, some of the things that you guys are going to need for this repair, it's pretty straightforward. One is going to be hammer, 14mm, can be a swivel or a regular. You're going to need a 19mm or 3/4. We got here a 19 socket, 14mm wrench, 18mm wrench, 18mm socket. I have here a swivel 18, and I have a 21mm with a swivel. Okay, those are the tools that you're gonna need. Again, just let me remind you so far that like the video, comment, subscribe to the channel so you can help me out with the YouTube algorithm. So without any further ado, let's get to the repair. First of all, the first thing that I like to do, I like to be able to move, to have more access if I need to, right? So I'm gonna remove the tie rod end first. Okay, that is loose. Nice. So you guys can see, I'm gonna tap here really quick. Done. So now it's no play. What I'm doing here, I'm making sure the inner tire end is no loose. If I'm able to pull it in and out, that means the inner tire end is no good, so you have to replace it. Next, we're going to do right here on the bottom, it is that bolt. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, it's a 14mm. We are going to replace, I'm going to hold it opposite side. Together over there. Now the next thing, I'm going to remove this 18mm. This one. Now I'm going to remove it from there, so I'm going to use ratchet. I'm gonna use the swivel, and I'm going to use the 3/4 inch wrench or 19mm, whatever is your case. Just gonna hold it there. Most of this link connectors in the back, they have an opening to install a wrench, so in case the center is spinning, it doesn't want to come apart. Worst case scenario, if this part is already bad, grab some pliers, hold it, and you should be fine. Okay, So we are going to replace this with a new part anyway. Alright guys, so we just removed that bolt on the bottom for the lower ball joint. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna remove, take the bolts out of the control arm. So I'm gonna use that 21 millimeter socket with a swivel. Use an 18 millimeter to remove the rear bolt, and we need to, on the top has a nut, so it's 18 millimeter as well. Hold it there. Right here. Put them together. Okay. Okay, now this thing is down. What we're gonna do here, we're gonna come up, we're gonna use the chisel. This is how I use the chisel. Here there's an opening, so we're splitting it open so that way the ball joint can just slide down. Ta-da! So there you go. As you can see here, got the bushing. It's not good. Turn. Also here, this one, it's worse when you see it on the car. You can see the split. All right, so let's get the new one. Here's the new one. Okay. So here we have to. Usually this is the trick a little bit. Line up this one with the bolt. So we're gonna do that first. In this case, it wasn't too bad. It's already all the way through. Done. Easy. Thank God. Okay, that goes there. Now we gotta line up the bolts right there. Both of them, they're the same, so doesn't matter which one goes where. So let me install that. Sure here when you do this, install this bolt, the bolt is nice when you threading it, put it in the back, it goes nice and easy. Other way, you're gonna cross thread it, and that is not good. You're gonna end up making more work. Okay, let me show you. Here you can use a wrench the way I'm doing it. See what I'm doing there with the wrench? I'm moving the metal part of the bushing. I'm moving it like this, so that way the hole can be aligned with the other hole where the thread is. Okay, other way is like tilt, and it's hard to thread that bolt easy. Okay, so you can use probably a screwdriver if you want to. So you see, it goes there, and now I'm pushing up and make it lines everything up. Okay, so in case that you're having an issue, it's very easy now. If I start doing that, it gets really tight. Okay, nice. Okay, there is. Okay, so here, let's see if we have the other one ready. Okay, let's do one thing here. What we're gonna do, we're gonna tight snug this one, so that way when we put the other one, it's already aligned. That will do. Okay, great. Put the second one here, and now we have to slide this part. Doing it wrong. Move this so this can go across, so I can move. I have more room here. Lift this. Ta-da! It's all the way in. Perfect. Now I'm gonna snug them. Well, I don't think that's snug, but I think it's more like tighted. Anyhow. Done. Okay. Now we have to install the bottom here. Okay. Right there, and you can see it's pretty much line up here. Just gotta find a place so the camera can probably pick it up. There you go. See how it went in? So now I'm not hitting the lower ball joint, I'm hitting the control arm right now. I'm tapping it, so that way the vibration allows us to move. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna use our friend chisel friend. Open. And it's in. Now we're going to put the bolt, and it goes in. Nice. Nicely. Perfect. Alright guys, so I will put all the torque specs and the description below. Don't forget to tighten this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Install this and the new link connector, put your tire, and you should be good. Again, I try to keep my videos short, but now you saw how I did it. So if you got anything out of this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it already, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day.